In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a transfer in QuickBooks Online. If you need to move money from one account to another inside QuickBooks Online, it's important to record it as a transfer instead of as income or an expense. That helps keep your books accurate and prevents the same movement of money from being counted the wrong way. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to enter the transfer properly so everything stays organized. Start by opening the transfer window. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click the plus new button. In some versions, this may appear as plus create, but the process is the same. Under the other column, select transfer. This opens the form you'll use to record the movement of funds between accounts. Next, choose the accounts involved and enter the amount. In the Transfer Funds from drop-down, select the bank account the money is leaving. Then, in the Transfer Funds, to drop down, choose the account that is receiving the money. Be careful here because selecting the wrong accounts can cause confusion later when you review your balances. After that, type in the exact transfer amount. It's a good idea to match this number exactly to what was moved at the bank, so it will be easier to reconcile and match later. Now set the date and, if needed, add a memo. If the transfer took place on a previous day, adjust the date so it matches the actual transfer date. Keeping the correct date matters because it helps your report stay accurate for the right time period. You'll also see an optional memo field. You can use this to add a short description about the purpose of the transfer. For example, this can help you remember why the money was moved when you look back at the transaction later. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. That records the transfer in QuickBooks Online. One more important step to remember comes afterward. If you have bank feeds connected, go to the Banking or Transactions tab later and match this recorded transfer with the actual transaction that comes in from your bank feed. Matching is important because it connects the bank activity to the transfer you already entered, which helps avoid duplicates and keeps your records clean. That's all it takes to record a transfer in QuickBooks Online accurately and clearly.